Welcome to Upbinger, an AI-powered platform that analyzes your business, creates content, publishes it, and continuously improves your visibility. Let me show you how it works. It starts with one simple step. Enter your website and click Verify. Check whether all the details are correctly filled and start analysis. Upbinger scans your entire site, identifies your competitors, and shows you exactly where you're losing traffic. You get a complete overview of your visibility, your keyword distribution, and quick wins you can act on immediately. You can see what keywords you're ranking for. And more importantly, the ones you're missing. You can discover your real competitors and understand exactly where they are outperforming you. And most importantly, you get content gaps, high-impact opportunities your competitors rank for, but you don't. Upbinger also tracks how you appear in AI platforms like ChatGPT and Gemini, so you're not just optimizing for search, but for the future of search. And this is where things get powerful. Based on your analysis, Upbinger automatically generates blog topics built around real keyword opportunities. Each topic comes with a fully written, SEO-optimized blog, structured headings, keyword-rich content, and AI-generated images, all ready to publish. It also includes optimized meta titles, descriptions, and keywords. And if you want to make changes, just ask. You can rewrite sections, improve clarity, add calls to action, or regenerate images instantly. But Upbinger doesn't stop at blogs. It turns your strategy into social content. You can generate high-quality social media images, short-form videos optimized for Reels and TikTok, and swipeable carousels that tell a complete story. Every piece of content comes with ready-to-use captions and hashtags. And if you want to tweak anything, you can edit individual visuals using simple prompts. But before content creation even begins, Upbinger builds your brand foundation. Our AI deeply analyzes your business, whether you're a product company, a service provider, or a marketplace. It understands what you sell, how you position yourself, and who your ideal customers are. From this, it extracts your complete brand DNA, your tone, voice, messaging style, and visual direction. It also identifies and organizes all your products and services automatically, so nothing gets missed. And this powers a completely different engine. A dedicated social branding system that creates high-quality posters, product visuals, short videos, and swipeable carousels, all tailored to your brand. Every visual is generated using your actual products or services, ensuring your social media isn't just active, but visually consistent, brand-driven, and built to convert. Once your content is ready, publishing is effortless. You can publish instantly to a global CDN, schedule content using a calendar, or push directly to your website, whether it's WordPress, Shopify, or any custom setup, from idea to live content in minutes. And if you're managing multiple brands, Upbinger makes it seamless. You can manage multiple companies from a single account. Each company has its own workspace, content, and strategy, and you can transfer credits between companies anytime, giving you complete flexibility. What used to take months, now it takes minutes. From zero content to a complete marketing engine. Consistent blogs, daily social content, higher visibility. Stop guessing what to do next. Start growing with data, automation, and AI. Upbinger, your complete content and visibility engine.